Hi, if you are interested in playing DVDs from an external DVD player, please click on your start icon and type in software. Go to Open. You're opening the Software Center. It may take just a moment for it to load. Wes worked on this all summer long. You see it's called SMCPS Apps. It's a software center so that he doesn't have to come, or I don't have to come, put in credentials to allow you to download certain software. This is one right here that you can see. What you need is this little traffic cone here. Double click on it and you'll say install. Notice it's not blue, so it doesn't really call attention to itself. This takes a little longer on some computers than others. I am on a laptop, so hopefully it's a little bit quicker here. Once it's installed, it's going to show up as a shortcut on your desktop. Remember, if you want Inspire, or there's a Microsoft plan, there's a Google Stream, which I'm not exactly sure what that is, but there are different options under here as well that you're welcome to load onto your device. Sorry for the delay. You know, I'll cap this here, and once you have the shortcut, here we go. Now you have the shortcut. You're going to get a couple prompts. Okay. We would go to Media, and you could say Open Disk, and then play from there. I don't actually have a disk here to show you, though. All right? It's that simple. If you need help, Miss Brinsky would speak to this, and so would Miss Mileto. I would be more than happy to help you.